you can see this is pointed to her. It stays tuned to her. If I point it to the cameraman, no. If I point it to Bernard, no. But as soon as I bring it back, yes. With the DNA in there, which could be from saliva, could be hair, could be nails, could be skin, could be photographs, signatures, anything that is your energy, we enter it in there, it will identify it. So you could be in a crowd of 1,000 people and I'll still find you. Hi, Richard and Janine here. We are going to do a demonstration of life force, and then we are going to complement Janine's life force with energy that is being generated through the Limbic Arc program, the app that you can actually download on your phone and by which you too can choose many different programs. And we're going to use some particular programs, and we're going to show how that is affecting the person's life force. In this case, it's Janine, and it can also for you. So to begin with, 2 Q-tips, pass it to her. We're going to use saliva, but we can use hair, nails, skin, anything pertaining to that person. Put 1 in each, okay? So her DNA goes in there. It's her frequency. Every radio station has its own frequency, so it's unique to every individual. Just like every snowflake, every raindrop has its own frequency as well. So she's going to stand on that dot, bare feet as well. So you can see this is pointed to her. It stays tuned to her. If I point it to the cameraman, no. If I point it to Bernard, no. But as soon as I bring it back, yes. Just walk sideways, take a few steps to the side. All right, it's just gonna follow her because it's tuned to her. She steps back on the white dot, away she goes, standing there. We're going to measure Janine's baseline for her life force, or her bioenergy force, and standing where she's standing. I'm walking backwards. You can see it. Now the wands are opening up. This is the edge of her energy field. Okay, so now she's going to pick up her cell phone where she has the Limbic Arc App on it, and she's going to turn 1 program on. So she'll do altogether 3. And watch as she's choosing the program. Okay, so you got 1 program on, just the 1, right? Energy. So by using the Limbic Arc app and just choosing the energy program, you can see how it actually has tripled her life force right over there. Okay, go ahead, put a second one on. And she's commencing to do that. Her life force is changing. So that's the number 2 program. Watch, it's going to stabilize. It's a different kind of life force. Okay, now that's stabilized and merged. So we got energy and strength going. Okay, that's good. Number 3. Energies are shifting. Now you can really feel it kicking in. Now we got number 3, that'll be focus. Now we'll kick it way out here. Probably 6-7 times the original life force that she had, that we measured. So we can really enhance the dynamics of our bodies. And check it out in some of the other videos, that how Limbic Arc actually works energetically through 0-point energy field.